From a small village, not knowing how to talk in English, I have reached to this stage. So everybody can reach this stage. Anyone can do, means anyone can reach to this stage, provided they are working sincerely. This time, though, that exam, whenever I was writing, that time I was thinking about your name only. Like, whether Kamresh Mohan sir has given paper or not. That was the uh, idea came to my mind. Like one point I would like to tell, nothing is permanent, sir. Don't stress ourselves too much because no matter how bad it is, it will change. But for me, as I am working, so you most probably per day more than 2 hours is very difficult to read. So I was writing whatever you are writing on the board. Like it was like my running notes only. So with that running notes, I used it to revise the formulas. I failed in many exams. Means I started my career with railway trackman. I applied, and then Indian Coast Guard I applied. I failed there, and then I stopped my preparation and I went for some farming activities. And then I realized that education only will give good path for my family and for myself. So again I started preparation for it. And then 2016 my father passed away. That time also I struggled a lot. So and then 2017 BTech I passed, and then I don't want to leave my mother. So again I continued my preparation in my home only that time. And then I was not good in English also. Means if I'm going for any interview, I could not able to speak in English. So that was also a problem. So I have to get one job the recruiting process also should not have interview. So that was the kind of mindset I was having during that time. So due to my homesickness also, I have to see my family also. So I used to, madam, she used to call me and she was telling like you are doing your best. You continue writing test series, so you will get a good rank this year. So like that she was calling and motivate. Actually, I am very happy that I am talking with you also because.
Hello everyone. In this session, we have GATE 2025 topper Satish Golangi with us. He belongs to Visakhapatnam and he did his BTech from JNTU GV College of Engineering. He was a student of Exergic full video course, question bank, test series, and pro course as well. First of all, congratulations, Satish, for such a great rank, for the top rank in GATE 2025. Tell us more about your GATE attempts, including your previous GATE attempts as well.
Sir, actually, I completed my BTech in 2017, and later on I joined in Vikram Sarabhai Space Center as a technical assistant through diploma. So later on, in 2021, I started preparation for GATE exam again, thinking like as a technical assistant, not that much scope is there in ISRO. So I have to start my preparation. So I started my preparation. Then 2021 means I prepared little bit subjects. With that preparation, I could not able to get good marks in 2021. After that, again I continued my preparation. And after that, 2022 I gave, and it was 1000 rank. With 1000 rank, I got NPCL scientific officer and TPC also. But both I have not joined due to some family constraint.
Oh.
And still I continued my preparation. 2023 475 I got, and after that engineering services 15th rank I got. So after that again I still continuing my preparation due to some homesickness. So I wanted to be there near to my hometown.
Okay.
So again I continued my preparation. In 2024 121 rank GATE rank I got, and then third rank ESC I got. So through 2023 ESC I have joined in military engineering services. So
Yes.
still I had a homesick because from the military engineering services, so all over India posting. So
Yes.
that is very difficult for me. Again I gave this year 2025 GATE. So I got good marks.
So currently, what do you plan in future? Means as soon as you get means once the GATE prospects will be there. So what do you expect? Do you want to continue in MES or do you want to do something else?
Sir, actually, I told you that homesick I'm having. So I means wherever I am getting, means whatever the department I am getting, if it is near to my hometown, I will go.
Understood. So due to some family reason, Satish want to stay in his near his home place, hometown only, and that
yes, sir.
yes. That is why he wants to have backup, more backup. That if he is not able to get home posting or near posting, then he will use his gate rank as well.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Important. Satish, since you have a lot of experience in terms of years that you attempted in 21 also, then in 22 and subsequent years. So
Yes.
how was your experience with GATE this year? How do you think this year GATE was different as compared to last many years?
Sir, as I told, 2021, I have not prepared that much.
Yes.
2022 gate only, I have completely prepared. Means all subjects I have completed. I could able to attempt some more number of tests and all. But I could not able to give my best. Means I don't know, some mistakes, silly mistakes I did in 2022 and 2023 and 2024 also. Still, I continue my preparation. Actually, this time though, that exam, whenever I was writing, that time I was thinking about your name only, like whether Kamresh Mohidan sir has given paper or not. That was the idea came to my mind. Like if you see English also, some two words relating they have given and one more word given. That blank we have to fill, and sentence completely means randomly they have given four sentences. Combining them, we have to arrange probability question and grammar mistake question. Everything. This was the pattern in Exergic test series. Even if you see core also, lot of means the level of questions also it is almost similar to your test series. So actually I attempted your test series this year. Very less number only I have given because MES training is going on, so I could not able to attempt more number of tests. I used to get 80 marks around. It is almost in top 10 only it was there. So every time that madam name I forgot, actually madam
Ayushi
used to
ma'am.
call, and Ayush madam, she used to call me, and she was telling like you are doing your best, you continue writing test series, so you will get a good rank this year. So like that she was calling and motivating me.
Yes.
But still I am not getting time to write the test series. But okay, finally I gave my 2025 test at my level best. So
correct. Actually, it is related to pressure also. What I have seen that when pressure is less in your mind, then performance in GATE increases.
Yeah, actually, my attempts like in 2023, 2024, preparation was good, but I was thinking like I have to get good rank, so I will get posting near my hometown. While writing exam, no, that kind of thing was running in my mind. So because of that, I was doing lot of silly mistakes and all. So that is giving some kind of pressure. Due to that pressure only, we are doing mistakes. So this year I was not thinking at all. If I means my preparation was good, so I gave some test series. There also I got good marks. So this time I was giving with free mind. So whatever it may be, let it go. I will give my best and I will come back. That was the mindset. Means it was helped me to get a good rank, means good marks in GATE 2025.
Correct. You are absolutely right. There is one point which many of students are confused about, which is notes making, especially when they're watching online lectures and they have to make notes. So what to write, what not to write, how to revise, should they make short notes? So what was your strategy regarding all these things?
Sir, actually, while listening to the classes, running notes we have to make. If you are good at making good notes, means okay, you can make whatever the elaborate notes you wanted to make, you can make. But for me, as I am working, so you most probably per day more than 2 hours is very difficult to read. So I was writing whatever you are writing on the board, like it was like my running notes only. So with that running notes, I use it to revise the formulas. Means the thing for GATE is like whatever the derivations we are doing now. So we have to thorough with the derivations also, because nowadays questions are not coming directly. So in between some assumptions, means we are deriving the formulas with some assumptions, but the examiner is giving different conditions in between. So accordingly, we have to adjust that concepts and we have to get correct conclusion. Then only we will get the answer. So So student must be able to derive everything, and he should know what are all the assumptions he has taken while deriving the equation, and question also what are all the things they are expecting. Like they'll be giving some other condition. If you are taking another condition, means we will be ended up with wrong answer. So this making running notes is very important, and we have to thorough with derivations also. Most of the people are thinking like for gate only remembering formulas will work, but nowadays it is not working. So we have to thorough with the derivations also. And coming to short notes is very important. Short notes should be such a way that it should be in very less number of pages, but the entire engineering picture should be in that book. So if you are opening that book, you are seeing that formula, you should be able to recall how it came, means how it was derived. So if you are that much confidence, means if you are having that much knowledge, then surely you will get good marks in gates, sir. But actually my preparation, like 2022, I have not prepared short notes. So after exam I did a lot of silly mistakes, so immediately I means gate exam was over on February first week. Immediately I started making short notes, so it took 3 months because I am working. 3 4 months it took. So I made in 2024 also small silly mistakes only I did. So due to that I could not able to 121 rank I got.
Yes.
So this time, as I am working, many times I was revising the short notes only. I was revising the short notes, and I am thinking how it was derived. Means each formula, seeing in short notes and how it is derived. So if you are thorough with the derivations also, whatever the conditions they are giving in the exam, we can able to do it.
Correct. One very important point I noticed that as soon as in one of his previous attempts, as soon as he came from gate, he realized what was mistake and immediately started acting upon that. Immediately started acting upon notes, for example, and dedicated next 2 3 months. This is very much important because after gate students waste lot of time. And when June, July comes, then again they wake up. Kare, next gate is there, what to do? That you don't have to do. Once you have
Yes.
made your mind that no, I have not given my 100%, I need to improve. Quickly, as soon as gate is over, be on the track. Those 2 3 months are going to be extremely useful. Satish, what was your, yeah, you were saying something.
Yeah, actually, people were thinking like making short notes just before exam will help a lot, but that may not work. Actually, after exam, if you are not able to do it best, means you have to make something better for next exam. So for that only, I worked 3 4 months and I wrote short notes. It is very short only, but all the formulas will be there in that notes. So it helped a lot.
Correct. Related to numericals also, were you making any notes when you were solving numericals or watching examples? Any specific numerical notes also?
Sir, for numericals, I have not made any notes in your video course also. Actually, I used to write concepts only. Numericals, I was not having that much time. Main problem is like for me time only, because I am working most probably 2 3 hours only I am getting. If I am writing each and every problem in the notes, and that will take a lot of time. So after explaining, I means after listening to the theory, I used to hold that video course, and then I use it to solve by my phone. If I could not able to solve, I will just run the video. Like that, I'll be seeing. If I'm getting correct answer, means I thought that I'm getting good correct answer, means I'll be putting in 2x, and then I'll be continuing, and I'll be finishing the videos very fast. So otherwise, I could not able to complete within the time.
Yes, yes. It's a very important strategy for those who are preparing with job, because since you have limited time, you will have to pick and choose what you want to do or what you do not want to do, right? So I think this
Yes, sir.
tip of Satish is going to be very helpful for you. Regarding the 3 hours of the exam, was there any specific strategy how you will start, from where you will start?
Sir, actually, exam, when I opened the exam, means exam was started, and I straight away directly opened the technical portion only. So first 10 questions I saw, it was very simple. Arey, why this gate exam? Means many times we one more questions also little bit tricky. Some questions will be there, but this time I was seeing all questions are very easy. So what is happening this gate exam? I don't know. That's it. Means again after solving 10 questions, again I increased my face. Like I was solving. So within 1 hour 35 40 minutes, I have completed all the questions. So, and I was thinking like, okay, this exam was very easy. So I may get good marks. And also I was thinking like that in that meantime, means like after 1 hour or 40 minutes. And after means lot of time is there. So again I was revising the questions. So I found five questions. I did mistakes and I corrected them. So because of that only I was in 90s. Otherwise I would have ended up with 78 marks.
That is very, very
78,
important.
78 or 82. So what I'm suggesting is means we should not think about time and all. Whatever the way we are capable, like how much fast we can do, we can do with very fast. If you are completing the exam in very less time, means it is very advantage because you will get chance to revise it once again. So you can able to correct it. So I corrected five questions. Like it was like more. It is around 10 marks. 8 to 10 marks. So
Huge
because of that
difference.
only I was in 90. That is a
Yes,
huge
huge
difference. So
difference.
if I'm not seeing that, actually in test series I was not seeing this means again repetition because again there are also time.
Yes.
So I don't want to sit for 3 hours. I won't get no means most probably 2.5 hours to 15 hours. So I was not seeing the test series again repetition and means calculation checkup and all. And this time one mistake I did was like 1 into 0 I took one, and so I ended up with wrong answer. So
Yes, you
that is the
told
two
about
more
that.
question. That was the very simple question, sir. That is directional derivative question.
Yes.
So people should not do these silly mistakes. Actually, no, in test series also many times I did like that. So I worked up actually in test series. I used to do a lot of mistakes, but in main exam, this was a single mistake I did. I
Yes.
did. Otherwise,
Single
I would
silly
have got
mistake.
single silly
Yes.
mistake costed a lot. Because of that, only 2 nights I did not go and get proper sleep.
Yeah. Satish actually told this point after his attempt that 1 multiplied by 0, mistakenly he wrote it as 1 instead of 0, and that costed him 2 marks. So anyway, it happens. Silly mistakes are there, but the
Yeah,
important point what you can learn from here is how important and crucial is the second run, right? Where you can pick some of your silly mistakes you did in your first cycle, in your first run.
yes, sir.
So this is something which every aspirant should try to do in test series also. Like if you have completed it before 3 hours, so don't just submit the test, right? Take the time to go through your attempt once again and find out if you can find any silly mistake and improve your accuracy. Uh, Satish, was there any such subject where you were specifically facing difficulty? Then how did you overcome that during your entire preparation?
Sir, actually, I'm from diploma background. So mathematics, I was not that much familiar. So I worked a lot, and some means your pro classes videos have, means I saw questions from there. That also was helped a lot. Apart from that, I did a lot of work for knowing means understanding the concepts and all. And production also a lot of good numericals are there, and in that you will be explaining. So what are all the possible mistakes people can do? How to avoid it? So those things helped me a lot because for I am the slow learner. So initially, means after completing my diploma, I don't know how to read English also. People were laughed at me. So I
Oh,
worked a lot to get to come to track. So that's why it took a lot of time and a lot of sources also I have used. Means one of the best sources is yours also, I can say.
yes.
So that way.
So for
And
yeah,
yes, and this one industrial engineering also some of the concepts are very tricky. Numericals means actually the formulas what we are studying and the question what it is coming and correlating that whatever the concepts we studied and what he is asking, those things you'll be correlating nicely and explaining the concept nicely. So that helped me a lot.
yes,
And in test series also, that video analysis, wherever I'm lagging, I have seen
correct.
means the question which I have to see means I'll be seeing like that only. I'm managing because I was
Time
time again
constraint.
time is the
So, since it's a very huge achievement, I think that from the diploma background where you are saying that you struggled with English also, and you not just overcame that, but also the basic concepts of maths or mechanics, you can say, and then the higher level concepts also. So, it's a huge journey, I think, which you have covered, which is very inspirational for all the students. So
Yes.
there are many queries we get from diploma students which are doubtful ki whether they will be able to do or not. Self doubt.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
what tips will you give to those diploma students who are willing to hard work to do hard work, but they are having self doubt?
Actually, sir, for diploma candidates, no, sir, mathematics is the main important thing because mathematics. If you are good at mathematics, you'll be good at engineering also because engineering is all about getting the mathematical equation. So, but that will not work for getting good ranks. So we have to get an answer. So that answer will be given by mathematics. So if you are good in mathematics, then you will get correct answer. Otherwise, even if you are good at engineering, you will not be able to get good marks. Like correct answer you will not get. So mathematics is the important thing. Diploma candidates should focus more on the mathematics. If they are more comfortable in on mathematics, means engineering is easy. If you see strength of material, lot of questions direct means simple questions everybody can solve. Most of the times we will be using differentiation concepts, integration concepts, and so if you are good in mathematics, so we can solve it easily. Even not only in strength of material, even design, theory of machine, thermodynamics, whatever the subjects we take, mathematics is the final key which is giving correct answer. So mathematics, the people must work, and then uh, in diploma, there people are like more or less theory oriented only. People will be learning. So once they are switching to engineering, it will be most probably means most not most probably it is mostly problematic only.
Yes.
So people who are studying for IIT JEE and all, they'll be good at mathematics. They'll be doing it very fast. So by seeing them, we should not feel like we are not able to do it. But we can also do, but we have to practice it more because that practice they have done earlier. Because that those people have prepared for IIT JEE and all. So there they have given a lot of effort. So we have not given a lot of efforts there for mathematics. So we have to give it now. So then only we can able to solve it.
Means it may take slightly more time.
More
That's it.
time,
That's
more.
it.
That's it. That much only, sir.
Yes, skill wise or any other sense is not going to harm you. In some few months, you will be able to master those
Yeah,
concepts,
yeah,
differentiation,
yes,
integration, and all maximum, minima, all these concepts which are throughout the subjects.
yes, sir.
All right. During your entire phase of preparation, Satish, was there any phase, any duration where you were demotivated, which was very difficult in your preparation journey, and how did you handle that?
Sir, actually, actually, from my birth to joining in ISRO, I struggled a lot. I have seen a lot of struggles in my life. So due to that family constraints only. Apart from that, I have not felt that much difficulty in preparation because that actually took lot of time, but that is okay because I am lagging in that. So that's why apart from family problem, preparation wise, I was not struggled. It means I failed in many exams. Means I started my career with railway trackman. I applied, and then Indian Coast Guard. I applied. I failed there, and then I stopped my preparation and I went for some farming activities. And then I realized that education only will give good path for my family and for myself. So again I started preparation for ESET. So he said also a lot of people were criticized me like why you are studying and all. I never like feeling like okay people are telling means I was not feeling that much bad, but I was trying my level best whatever it is possible for me. So I was doing it, and then BTech I joined. There also I struggled a lot, and then 2016 my father passed away. That time also I struggled a lot. So and then 2017 BTech I passed, and then I don't want to leave my mother. So again I continued my preparation in my home only. That time I was not having financial support also to join in any coaching institute. So I have not joined. I have prepared for my means from my home only. And then I was not good in English also. Means if I'm going for any interview, I could not able to speak in English. So that was also a problem. So I have to get one job that the recruiting process also should not have interview. So that was the kind of mindset I was having during that time. So I picked this ISRO technical assistant. So there should not means in that interview and all will not be there. Only written exam and another level of exam will be there. If you are clearing, then we will get the job. So I got that job, and again there the treatment for technical assistant is they are treating like technical assistant. So again, why should not we means like in after joining ISRO, I worked on means improving my speaking skills. So a little bit I improved. So I got a little bit confidence that I can convey my ideas to anyone. So I started preparation for GATE in 2021, and then 2021 I failed. 2022 1000 rank I got. So in 2022 BARC interview also I failed, and then the NPCL interview went well. So there I have got selected, and NTPC I have got selected. Both I have not joined because that time, so I got a lot of confidence. It's like I will get a good job because due to my homesickness also I have to see my family also. So I got a lot of confidence. That confidence only boosted me to reach this stage.
Yes.
So that was the story.
No, absolutely inspirational and incredible journey Satish has. Like many times, the external factors you see try to affect you a lot, right? People telling you, what are you doing? You will not be able to do. Family situation is also not that great. So these things affect students a lot. They give up, right? But
Sir,
he did not give up.
one point I would like to tell, nothing is permanent, sir. Don't stress ourselves too much because no matter
Very
how
good.
bad it is, it will
Correct.
change.
Absolutely.
So,
You are
yes, sir.
absolutely correct. So throughout the journey, you just visualize just whatever he told. I would request you to go back, close your eyes, and visualize what he might be going through, right? When he was from the diploma background, not able to understand the all the English properly, not able to crack interviews properly, family situation is not helpful. He was back then he was not able to get any external support as well. So even then he went to farming and then came back to, so all these things he kept doing, but he never gave up. He always kept on giving his best at that point of time, what he thought is best he can do. And today, as you can see, he has cracked not one but multiple examinations. So it's a huge source of inspiration for many students, I think.
Yes, sir.
During this entire time, there might have been some distractions also. Was there any distraction from preparation?
Sir, actually, I was working in ISRO, so many times I used to go to tours and all. So in that tours and all, I will be taking rest and I will be relaxing. And then whenever, actually, my friends are also, some of them are preparing, so they will be sending some questions. So if I am able to solve that questions, I will be feeling very happy. And then again, I started preparation. Means people who are giving some questions, if I'm not able to solve, I will be working on that concept and I will be giving answers to them. Like that means distractions means, sir, I told now in my initial 21 years of my life, I saw a lot of distractions. Apart from that, I will not feel anything distraction. So whatever I wanted to do, I will do,
Yes.
and I will give my best.
Yes. So when the situation is difficult, you develop your qualities. So in his initial formative life, he has seen many problems, which it's not right to discuss all of them, but he has faced a lot of issues due to which his determination became very strong. So it's a very famous thing, right? When the time is tough,
Yeah.
you have to get tougher. So in tough time, your qualities improve. So that's what is the character and ethics of Satish. Satish, were you having any favorite subject?
Or mechanical engineering. Now I am very comfortable with all the subjects.
All right. So, out of all the subjects in mechanical engineering, will you give any subject specific guidance to students that for this subject you avoid this mistake, or for this subject you do that method? Any specific thing related to any subject?
Sir, subjects like strength, basic subjects, no, sir. Strength of material design, heat transfer, fluid mechanics, and all people will do. What I will tell is to get a good rank in any competitive exam, we should more focus on engineering materials, industrial engineering, and mathematics. If you are able to do these questions from these subjects, the remaining questions automatically people can do.
Correct. Many students feel difficulty in manufacturing and production because of, not because of difficulty of concept. Concepts are easy, doable. They are able to understand what is going on. But there are so many things, so many
So
small
the-
concepts, numerical also, theory also. So what
yes,
tip would you give to such students?
so practicing more number of questions. Yeah, if people are taking for means like you will be explaining a lot of questions in your course and test series also means almost all kind of questions will be there. Sir, one more thing I just wanted to production questions and all. I wrote 2021 test series, 2022 test series, 2023 test series, 2024 test series. At 2021, I could not able to solve even 50% of the questions. 2022, I could able to do for 50%. And then 2023, also a lot of new questions will be there. So while writing test series, I understood that most of, means I touched most of the models and all. So like that, I got a lot of practice also. Means in test series, I could not able to solve some of the questions, but I come to know these are all the models of questions will be there. So we have to approach this question like this way, so to get the correct answer and all. So test series and your question bank also, I solved some of the questions. It was the very good questions were there, and I got a lot of practice and all. So practice makes man perfect. So we have to practice a lot to have a good confidence over these subjects, because this production nobody can predict what kind of questions will come. So we have to practice a lot. So most probably questions will come from whatever we are practicing. If it is not coming, so nobody means if you are prepared completely, if you are not able to do it, if you are not able to do it, then nobody will be able to do it. We should not think more about that. So
Yes.
we have to proceed accordingly.
Yes, it's a relative exam, right? If you have done enough,
Yes.
and there are a couple of questions in which you are not comfortable, so don't stress over those questions. And initially,
Yeah.
as Satish, you told, your marks were not good in test series when you started solving the test series, right?
Yes, sir.
So, how you used to manage after the test when you look at the result, marks are less, does not feel good. So, what you used to
Sir,
do? How you used to
sir,
analyze?
actually, 2022, 2023 means 2023. If I'm seeing, if I'm after writing exam, first I will be seeing marks. So marks means marks and highest how much the people are getting. I'll be feeling like how they are getting. Actually, no, that we should not see, sir. Actually, my problem was that only.
Yes.
We should not see how many marks we are getting, what is the rank we are getting. Rather than we should see what are all the types of mistakes we have done, and that the same mistake should not be repeated again and again. Especially final exam, we should not repeat that. And then what are all the questions we should not able to, means we are not able to attempt that for that question some special attention is required. The questions which you are doing silly mistakes, some attention is required. So that I understood while solving 2023. So 2023, after that 2024 test series, my name was another name, so I used to get good marks only in Exergic test series most of the times. So that mistake I worked on that mistake, so I could able to solve more number of questions and all.
So what Satish told is absolutely correct, that you look where you are losing your marks. You try to reach your maximum rather than looking at how many marks others are getting or what they are doing. During this time of test, what mistakes were you making, silly mistakes or calculation mistakes? You used to write them somewhere. What mistakes are you making to revise?
Sir, for me, time constraints.
Time constraint was
I
there. Yes,
actually,
yes, you told that.
I'm not writing anything like that.
Got it.
Actually, that only costed me for this time also, because in test series also many times I did calculation mistakes only. Same mistake. Actually, after seeing response sheet also I solved. I did again same mistake, sir. Actually,
Oh.
that was the biggest blunder I did. So
But it's okay. Everyone has done some mistake. It's okay.
yeah. And one more thing is, writing test series is very important, because the time management is very important, sir. Actually, this time I heard that most of the people struggled with the time, means the timer which is running from back to front. So while seeing a number of questions solving, people were like panicking. I don't know why that much panicking. but that we should habituate with test series.
Yes.
So if you whatever the things you are doing in test series, absolutely it will replicate in the final exam. If you are not working
Correct.
about the mistakes and whatever the corrections required, that we have to do. Otherwise, same mistakes only are going to repeat in coming exam.
Correct. The calculator that we have, virtual calculator,
Yes.
that also is very
Yeah.
important. It's practice.
Yeah, yeah, that also we have to work, sir, because test series is all about time management, use effective use of calculator, and then what are all the mistakes we are doing, how to rectify it, and what are all the questions we could not able to understand, what are all the questions we could not able to, means we have not studied till now. All those things we have to work and we have to get all the information and we have to correct ourselves to reach to the higher level, so like get good marks.
Correct. Towards the end of this discussion, Satish, what do you think some qualities a GATE aspirant must have to achieve success?
Sir, what I can say is like triple C principle: consistency, commitment, confidence. If you are having these qualities, then you will get success, because consistency is required. Means most of the people, some days they'll be studying for 18 hours, 16 hours, and then they'll be stopping. That won't give that much results. Like for me, consistency only helped me a lot, because I could able to read 2 hours daily. So and it took 2.5 hours to complete that entire syllabus for 100%. So now
Yes,
that
yes.
is the thing. Yeah, another thing is confidence. If you are not having confidence with ourselves, means who will give confidence, and so we should have confidence. Means we should believe ourselves, our capabilities. We should believe. Then only things will work properly. And then
Correct.
commitment means what is your goal, means we have to work for the goal.
Absolutely right. These three C's, if possible, you write somewhere so that you read it every day on your table, study table, wherever you write these three things and remind yourself about these three skills, these three qualities that you must have, right? Anything that you want to say to your juniors, to your younger brothers, sisters, last final words, which we might have missed discussing?
Sir, everything I have told, but the thing is, yeah, I liked a lot one quotation from Abdul Kalam sir. Aiming small goal is crime. So we have to aim big goal, and we have to work for that till reaching to that stage or whatever we are thinking. So we have to work a lot. If you see me, I am from small village, having lot of problems. Still, I could able to reach this stage, but I don't think nowadays people are facing this kind of issues. Most of them are financially stable. Family issues also not that much. So most of the people are having good conditions like to study and all. So people have to utilize that resources whatever available with them, and they have to work hard to get into the good position. That only I can say. So from a small village, not knowing how to talk in English, I have reached to this stage. So everybody can reach this stage. Anyone can do, means anyone can reach to this stage, provided they are working sincerely. And that much only I can.
Very nice conclusion to the entire discussion. Your journey, again, I'll say, is very inspirational to many, to almost every student who will listen to this. And I once again congratulate you for your continued success. And I wish you all the best for your future endeavors.
Thank you, sir.
All right. Most welcome, Satish.